Welcome to Decent Machinery. We specialize in efficient industrial dust removal solutions. Today, we will show you the entire packing and shipping process of an industrial dust collector. First, we load the dust hopper into the container. This is a crucial component of the equipment, designed to collect and store filtered dust. The top is equipped with airbags and other key parts to ensure efficient dust discharge. Next, we carefully place the ladders, pipelines, and other components into the container, ensuring they remain stable and secure during transportation. Then, we proceed with loading the main housing of the dust collector. All frames and internal components are neatly arranged within the enclosure, fully utilizing the available space and ensuring safe transportation. Once the loading is complete, the entire dust collector system officially sets off to the port, ready to be shipped to our customer's country. Decent Machinery, driving global industrial environmental protection and creating a cleaner future. Thank you for your attention. For more information, feel free to contact us.